Hi, look.
Hi.
I'm going to open a bubble tea shop in California. What kind of a service can you provide to me?
Well, Vincent, you have come to the right place. Chen En is the answer you are looking for. We specialize in assist people who wish to have their own shop, and we assist them to achieve their dreams.
Wow, sounds great. But I have no idea how to start this.
No need to worry. It's our profession to assist individuals like you who doesn't have experience to start their own business. You can save much time and money. First, bring your team to our profession courses. We teach you from preparation of tea, tapioca cooking, and various drinks. It only takes 5 days to master the skills.
5 days? Only 5 days? Sounds good. Your master must really very experienced.
Yes, look, our master is here, and he's making the most popular drink in Taiwan.
How exciting!
Yeah.
It doesn't seem so difficult. We believe we can get the hang of it. We will be very professional.
Sure.
So after the training course, what next?
Next, you have to design your own menu based on market demand.
Design the menu. I don't know how to do this.
No need to worry too much. We'll assist you and discuss, then design your menu with you.
That's wonderful.
Once you have finished designing your menu, it also means you have set your business direction and market position. We'll map out the material, consumable, and equipment you need for your menu. We provide various kinds of material to satisfy the needs of your shop, including tea, juice concentrate, drink powder, and toppings. We have passed certification such as ISO, HACCP, and HALA, with submitting SGS inspection periodically, all this to ensure our product's high quality.
With such quality control, wow, I think I don't need to worry about the food safety.
Absolutely. That's why you can count on us. We plan thoroughly in every detail of our customers' need. Moreover, for the one whose first time to open a shop has the need of store design, our design team can help you with an overall design plan, which including store layout, circulation, and commercial design.
No way! Even the intern design. Wow, you can do anything for bubble tea.
It is to lowering the risk for you at the beginning of opening a store. That is the whole purpose of our service about. Finally, after all your material, consumables, and equipment are ordered, we'll arrange production process and book the shipping table based with your shop opening schedule. So you won't need to postpone your opening date.
Wow, that's true, because I don't want to be late to open my bubble tea shop.
So it's not hard at all. Just bring your team to our training course, then discuss, then design your menu with our expertise. Based on the menu, planning your store design, and order the material, consumables, and equipment that you need. Finally, make sure shipping schedule goes with your opening date. When your shipment arrives, everything is set and done.
It is not difficult as I imagine to open a bubble tea shop. I only need to build my dream and plus your total solution to open a bubble tea shop. Wow, it's so easy.
That's right. With Chen En's profession and experience, we can lower the cost of your risk and time and make your business easier toward success.
Wow, I cannot wait. Can I practice to how to make a bubble tea?
Of course. Here we go.